Ready, girls? We're going. Ready, girls?
Yes.
Okay, we finally arrived at Asda. It was scary though.
No, it wasn't.
I was scared.
Why?
It's the first time. Oh, where's Georgie now?
Well, you know I was lying down on the car the whole time.
Now we're going down. It's a bit rainy. Let's go.
Not to bring the umbrella.
Yeah, but that's fine. It's just there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ready?
Pull
Pull it, the girls.
Wow.
You're pull it.
Wow.
Today's day for the Timberley holiday, so I'm just cooking chicken for our baon sa beach. And I'm gonna do some hot dog buns.